Today I'm going to show you how to take advantage of code snippets to make your coding sessions more efficient. To give you a quick example, I can type in SUV, get a quick Swift UI view, name it cheese coin, tab down to the body, and now I can type VSS to get a VStack with spacing. We'll put 4, and let's say I need one more VStack. I can quickly do that. With a couple of keystrokes, I instantly filled out some repetitive code. To build your own, type out the code that you want to create the snippet of. Now if you want to create placeholder text, do a forward caret like this, pound symbol, and then your name, close it. And now we got the placeholder, view, var body, some view. Now that we have our code here, let's select it, right click and go to Create Code Snippet. You'll see we have a preview of the code and then we can give it a name. So let's call this Swift UI Instant View. Now if you want to add more things here, you can. So we could add a spacer if we wanted to, and then maybe a VStack. So open arrow, code, close. For the completion field, we want to put the keystrokes that we want to use to instantly create this. So let's put SIV. You can change your language and your platform as well as your availability, different scopes if you want to, but I'm just going to leave it like this for now. Let's highlight our code, type in SIV. You'll see our code snippet has appeared at the top. Hit enter, and we're ready to start saving some time. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. Have a great rest of the day, and thanks for watching.